All right, welcome to another one of my tips. And this one is going to be about removing product reviews, right? Product reviews or seller reviews. So one of the things about selling on Amazon, it's important to actually know what their compliance is and how to actually use it towards your advantage or to your advantage. So one of the things that we want to look at is product listing reviews, right? So we can have a look at this product. You can see they have a ton of different reviews, 26,000 or so. But when you start to get a lot more sales, you are going to find you will get negative reviews, right? It's unavoidable. Regardless of how good your product is, I've never seen one product on Amazon that's got a lot of reviews that are all 5-star. You are going to get a small percentage that you can never, ever impress, right? So be sure of that and be wary of that and just know that, right? It's part and parcel of the actual game itself. Don't get too caught up on it. But if you do have reviews in the wrong section or reviews that are unrelated to your actual product in your product listing, then you can actually get them removed by Amazon. So I recommend you always keep a lookout to see if your negative reviews are related to your actual product or not when they're on the product listing. So this particular product, if we went to their ratings, I'm just going to click on their ratings and let's go to 1-star reviews. And let's have a look and see if there's anything here that we could actually look at that is possibly not related to the actual product itself. Now, I did find one earlier. Let's see if I can find it. I think it's in this tab here. All right, let's have a look. Didn't know. Yes, this is it. Okay, perfect. So if we have a look at this, this is an actual product review. You can see it's that one there, the one written by Michael. And you can see it says, don't know, haven't received it yet. Looks good in the picture, but all I've received so far are messages that the order has been delayed and delayed and delayed. Now, this here can actually be removed, right? So if this was your product listing and you saw this negative review, well, you can report that to Amazon. Amazon will remove that. And the reason why is because it has nothing to do with an actual product review itself. It's talking more about you as a seller. And really that should be in the seller section, but it's not. So you could actually remove that. So remember, if you have negative reviews that are not related to your actual product, that are talking about your shipping or your customer service or anything else or another product, anything else like that, you can get that removed. And the way that you do that is this. I'm just going to clear that. I'm going to click on report, right? And obviously this isn't my product, but all I would do is click on report in the actual product listing. And it says, why are you reporting this? And then you'll just click on off topic, right? Not about the actual product. So that's the tip on how to actually remove seller reviews that are not in the right section, right? So this is in the product listing section. That's how you'd actually remove them. And be sure to keep a lookout on all your negative reviews. In the next video, in the next tip, I'm actually going to be showing you how to remove other reviews also, okay, that are negative towards your actual business itself. This one was the product listing reviews. Hope you enjoyed that and look out for some more.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.